You've entered Tending the In-Between, a space for those who remember there's more than one layer to reality. I'm Connie Anderson, voice, frequency, and mirror. Here we walk the edges of the seen and unseen, decoding the signals that pulse beneath form. Each transmission is an invitation to remember, to feel what the mind forgot, and to stand inside truth without apology. Breathe. Listen. This is where remembrance begins. A new earth is being breathed in. Something is changing in the architecture of the world, not as an idea, not as a political slogan, not as a spiritual promise, as a system, as a living, breathing, interdependent field of land, water, weather, species, infrastructure, economies, technologies, and human behavior. The planet is reorganizing itself. You can see it in the skies, in the oceans, in the migration of animals and people, in the instability of food systems, in the volatility of markets, in the fracturing of political alliances, in the breakdown of supply chains, in the sudden obsolescence of once powerful institutions. What is failing is not leadership. What is failing is an operating model. For centuries, industrial civilization has run on extraction. Extract energy, extract labor, extract minerals, extract attention, extract life. Turn living systems into dead resources. Burn through them. Replace them. Repeat. That model is no longer viable on a finite planet with a sentient biosphere. So the biosphere is responding, not emotionally, not ideologically, not rhetorically, biologically, geophysically, energetically. The Earth is adjusting her metabolism. Climate instability is not random. It is systemic fever. Species collapse is not coincidence. It is ecological shock. Soil depletion is not mismanagement. It is starvation. Water scarcity is not bad luck. It is circulatory failure. Extreme weather is not just weather. It is pressure redistribution. The planet is redistributing stress, and everything built on the old model is being tested. Empires wobble. Currencies destabilize. Corporations fragment. Technologies mutate faster than ethics. Borders strain under migration. Cities pulse and spasm. Not because things are going wrong, because a new equilibrium is forming. A new earth is being breathed in. Not as utopia, as adaptation. Life always adapts. When conditions change, organisms mutate or disappear. Civilizations are organisms. Economies are organisms. Technological networks are organisms. They are being forced to evolve. We are watching the end of a purely mechanical worldview. The fantasy that the world is a machine you can optimize indefinitely. It is not. It is a living intelligence, and it is asserting itself. You can feel this in the energetic field, in Schumann fluctuations, in geomagnetic instability, in atmospheric disturbances, in increased solar interaction. These are not background noise. They are feedback loops. Earth communicating with her environment, including us. Human nervous systems are wired into this field. Our brains, hearts, and endocrine systems evolved inside it. When the planetary field shifts, so do we. This is why populations feel unsettled, why attention fragments, why mental health crises spike, why old narratives lose grip, why people feel You've been listening to Tending the In-Between. If this message resonated, you'll find more transmissions, writings, and Earth Pulse updates at tendingtheinbetween.substack.com. Subscribe, listen, and walk with us as we remember what's real. Thank you for being here, for tending the space between illusion and truth.